Why use hashtags on Instagram? Posts with at least one hashtag on Instagram get on average 12.6% more effective than a publication without hashtags. You can use up to 30 in each publication. You can use one for your brand. Identify it in a community or create it according to some event that you are going to perform. Its main objective is to organize and categorize photos and video content so you can discover it and you can optimize your account. You can use them in publications and stories through a sticker or a tag. To develop an effective strategy, you need to use a hashtag that is unique to your business, be it a slogan, the name of a product, or something that has to do with the identity of your brand. Do not use hashtags with the most popular labels. Use those that have an active community and are specific to your audience. Investigate which are the most used by your audience and your competitors. Expand your list by following influencers that have similar goals in your business. You can also follow hashtags so that posts appear automatically. It's like following a user's profile. Another way to draw attention of users are the mentions designed to address someone when exchanging comments or addressed to someone specifically, but also serve as a bait that arouses the attention of that profile and ends up visiting your profile. You can also dedicate mentions to your followers by presenting them in your profile. Your follower is known to many people, and you can add a new follower or even a new customer. Customize your location as it also brings visibility to your brand. Initially register your location on Facebook and thus appear in the Instagram location list. If your location does not appear, you can add it. After this, when you make an Instagram publication, select your location to be visible in your publication.